Hi friends, hola amigos, it's me, Miss Andrea. Today we are going to have fun with surprise picnic baskets. Ready, set, go! Wow! Do you know what these are? Yeah, these are baskets. We need to open. Can you help me? Yeah? Okay, let's go. This basket is color red. Let's open. Say the magic word. Open. Wow! Look, some raspberries. Put here. Wow. Should we open more? Okay, say open. What color is this? Yeah, it's the color orange. It's an orange basket. Say open. Wow, delicious. It's a popsicle. Yummy, yummy. The next color is yellow. Say open. Wow. Some cheese. Delicious cheese. Yummy, yummy. Should we do more? More. The next color is green. Say open. Wow. It's a delicious avocado. Yummy, yummy. But here we have another one. This basket is color blue. Say the magic word. Open. Wow, some blueberries. Healthy food. Okay. What animal makes the sound neigh? Yeah, a horse. Horse, where are you? Neigh, neigh. Hi, horse, how are you? Hi, how are you? We have some food here. Which one do you want? I want a popsicle. Here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Sit here and enjoy your popsicle. Okay, should we do more? Say more. What animal makes the sound moo? Yeah, you are right. It's the cow. Cow, where are you? Moo, moo. Hi, cow. Hi, how are you, friends? We have some food here. I want raspberries. Okay, here you go. Eat, 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 eat. Sit here. Enjoy your food. Should we do more? More. What animal makes the sound quack, 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 quack? Yeah, the duck. Duck, where are you? Quack, 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 quack. Hi, duckling. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I want cheese. Okay, here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Okay, friends, should we do more? Say more, please. What animal makes the sound oink, 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 oink? Yeah, You are correct. P. Where are you? Oink, 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 oink. Hi, Piggy. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Are you hungry? Yes, I want to eat some food. Okay, we have two options. We have blueberries or avocado. Which one do you want? I want avocado, please. Okay, here you go. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Sit here and enjoy your food, okay? Should we do more? We have one more food. Can you help me call the animal? Okay, what animal makes the sound ba? Yeah, it's the sheep. Sheep, where are you? Ba. I'm here. Hi, sheep. How are you? Do you want some blueberries? Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Eat, 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 eat. Yum, 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 yum. Sit here, please. Okay, all the animals are eating. Now it's time to say goodbye, okay? Say bye bye, cow. Bye bye. Mwah. This one is bye bye, horse. Mwah. Bye bye, duck. Mwah. Bye bye, pig. Mwah. Bye bye, sheep. Mwah. Good job. This basket is color red with a number 1. Bye bye, raspberries. Bye bye, red. This basket is color orange with a number 2. Bye bye, popsicle. Bye bye, orange. The next one is color yellow with a number 3. Bye bye, cheese. Bye bye, yellow. This basket is color green with a number 4. Bye bye, avocado. Bye bye, green. And the last color is blue with a number 5. Bye bye, blueberries. Bye bye, blue. Good job. Thank you so much for playing with me. Bye bye, friends. Mwah.